Hello, welcome to another 2-minute review. And today we are doing the big question is, are exclusively for Tesco's From Our Kitchen Hearty Food Co. 10 fish fingers as good as bird's eye? There's only one way to find out, and that's cook 'em, which I have already. Interesting pack. There you go. These are codfish, 64%, and then various other bits and pieces, which is the covering. There's only one way to eat fish fingers, and that is a fish finger butty. It's far too much gluten for me, but you know what the hell? This is a proper serious review. Cooked my favourite way, which is on a tray in the oven. It tastes fishy. Now, if you're a certain age, you'll remember the birds I used to say, no black bits in our fish fingers. They're all black bits now, but that's because the world's different and you can't throw away bits of fish because it's black. But the big question is, are there any black bits in here? The answer is a few grey bits, but no black bits. Depending on the shop, it's between £1.50, £2, £2.50 for 10 fish fingers elsewhere. These were less than 60 pence for 10. You know what? I'm going to give them 4 out of 10. 4 out of 5, sorry. 4 stars out of 5. They're all right, and value for money, you can't argue. So get yourselves some of these, some cheap fish fingers, especially for the kids. They don't really know what's going on, do they? Especially if they're under 4. So just feed them anything. But no, seriously, these are fine. Enjoy them. See you again. Till next time.